Now you all have some idea about continents. So to understand more about it, let's recap it. First of all, to read a map, you should to know about the direction of the map. Always remember that your right hand side is east and left hand side is west. The upside shows the north and the downside is south. Let's talk about largest continent, which is Asia. Here you can see that the right side or the east of Asia is bounded by Pacific Ocean and the left or west side of Asia is connected with Europe. North is surrounded by Arctic Ocean and south or downside is bounded by Indian Ocean. Let's talk about the second largest continent, which is Africa. The east side is bounded by Indian Ocean. West or left side of Africa is connected with Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea in the north. Now, North America, which is the third largest continent, surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in east, Pacific Ocean in west, Arctic Ocean in north, and the south side is connected with South America. Do you remember one narrow land is connected through North and South America? What it is called? It is Isthmus of Panama. Next, South America, which is the fourth largest continent. Here you can see Atlantic Ocean is in both north and east side of this continent. West side is Pacific Ocean and south side is surrounded by Antarctic Ocean. Antarctica, which is the fifth largest continent, it is located near South Pole. This is North and this is South Pole. This continent is surrounded by Antarctic Ocean. Europe, it is the sixth largest continent and surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in west, Arctic Ocean in north, Mediterranean Sea in south, and east side of Europe is connected with Asia. Then the last continent, which is Australia, is the seventh and smallest continent in the world. This continent is completely surrounded by water, so it is also known as the island continent. Oceans. There are total 5 oceans in the world and all oceans are connected with each other. First, the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. North side is merged with Arctic Ocean. South side is merged with Atlantic, Indian and Antarctic Ocean. West side of this ocean touches the boundaries of Asia and Australia, while the east side is North and South America. Mariana Trench, which is the world's deepest trench, is present in this ocean. Second, the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. This ocean extends from Arctic to Antarctic region. The shape of the ocean is S-shaped. West side of this ocean is connected with North and South America, and right side or east side is bounded by Europe and Africa. It is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce because mostly people use this ocean to transfer their goods from one country to another. Third, the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean in the world. The name of this ocean is given after a country named India. It is bounded by Asia on north, Africa on the west, and Australia in the east. The two important parts of Indian Ocean are Arabian Sea in west and Bay of Bengal in east of India. Fourth, the Antarctic Ocean. It is the fourth largest ocean in the world. It is also called Southern Ocean. It formed by the merging of three oceans that are Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Fifth, the Arctic Ocean. It is the fifth and smallest ocean in the world. It touches the boundaries of Asia, Europe and North America. It is the coldest ocean and it remains frozen throughout the year.